Okay. I missed a win? Maybe I did. Do I feel refreshed? I feel pretty good. I feel better than yesterday. I slept for like 11 hours last night, which I almost never do. So I slept a lot last night. A lot. A lot. I don't think we're going to have time to get in 3 games. That's the only sad part about this. So, anyway. Will I come to Hamburger? I want to see you. No, I won't be in Hamburger this time. I will just. I'm going to be in Wernheim for the Bundesliga this weekend. But yeah, good sleeping. Yeah, I was just too tired yesterday. Just too tired. Oh, did I misplay? Ah, shoot! I should have used more time. Oh, great! I've fumbled this badly. Oh, great! I fumbled this horribly, actually. Oh, great. Oh gosh, I really messed this up. This isn't even funny. Why did I do this? What the heck? One second, you guys. I have to try to find some way to swindle this. Do something like B4 somewhere. I think I'm gonna go for this. I'm just gonna give up a pawn here and try to pretend. I've played this so badly. I'm in a lot of trouble here. Very, very poor play for me. I just forgot altogether that he could push and go king e2. So here, pressure the bishop. I have to go for b4 or c5, something quick. Okay, that's a slight mistake by him, because now I'm going to get this pawn. Of course I take this one. So I'll go here. Let's go here, hit the pawn. I mean, I'm getting some play, kind of. Let's take. Yeah, now he's misplayed this. I mean, I'm not, like, doing great here, but I'm almost so. Oh, wait, I can't take. Whoops. Wait a second. How do I do this? b4, knight a2. I think I'll go here. Knight b5 gives me e5. Ugh. So I'll go here and take. I mean, I still have checks and tricks, maybe. I blundered this too. Lovely. Ah, shoot. How do I do this? Come on, come on, come on. There we go.